parallel lines. Here A, B and C, D are two parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet with each other. In other words, they keep their distance with each other same throughout their distance. For example, its distance starts from A to B and it starts from C to D. So the distance from A to C and the distance from A to D remains same. It means they never meet with each other. So these lines are called parallel lines. So dear students, if we draw a line that intersects these parallel lines, this line makes different angles with these parallel lines. So this line that intersects the parallel lines and makes some angles is called transversal line, or simply you can write transversal line. So you can see, students, transversal line is making following angles, like angle number, suppose I name it 1, angle 2, 3 and 4. So this transversal is making 4 angles with these parallel lines. So these angles have a specific connection with each other, a specific relationship with each other. So due to that relationship, we name them. For example, if you see angle number 1, I write it here, angle number 1 and angle 3 are on the same position and same direction of this transversal line. You can see both of these angles, angle 1 and angle 3, are on right hand side of this transversal and above the parallel line. Angle 1 is above the parallel line, angle 3 is also above the parallel line, and both of these are right side of the transversal. So these angles have a relationship, and that relationship is called correspondence with each other. So these angles are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are always equal to each other. So I mean angle 1 is equal to angle 3. We will give the reference of this relationship, and that is corresponding angles. Suppose angle 1 is equal to 60 degrees, then angle 3 will also be equal to 60 degrees, because these are corresponding to each other. Now, if we see angle number 2 and angle number 4, both of these are again on the same position. Whenever the angles are on same position, then they are called corresponding angles. Even these angle 2 and 3 are also on the same position. I mean 2 is below the parallel line and 4 is also below the parallel line, and both of them are left side of this transversal. Is it? So again these are on the same, although these are on the reversal position of angle 1 and 3, but still they are holding the same position. Both of them are holding same position. If two angles hold same position, so and same direction, they are called corresponding angle. 2 and 4 are on the left hand side of this transversal, and both of them are below the parallel line. Again I am repeating, 1 and 3 were right hand side of the transversal and they were above the parallel line. So these were having the same position and these are also having the same position. So the angles lying on the same position of between transversal and parallel line are called corresponding. So these 2 and 4 are also corresponding angles. So these are also corresponding angles. different type of angles, different position angles. If you see angle 1 and angle 4, both are on different positions. When I say the word different, I mean angle 1 is on the right hand side, angle 4 is on the left hand side of the transversal. 1 is above the parallel line, 4 is below the parallel line, is it? So this time connection is totally different. When the connection of two angles on the parallel line made by the transversal is different, so then they are called alternate angles. So angle 1, this is your type number 1, type number 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. Again they are equal, so different position angles are again equal, so they are called alternate angles. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 3. 2 is below the parallel line, 3 is above the parallel line, 2 is again left hand side of the transversal and 3 is on the right hand side of the transversal line. So angle 2 is again equal to angle 3 and this is also alternate angle. So students, alternate angle